There was a time when men spoke freely. Around fires, on riverbanks, shoulder to shoulder in work, and as friends. But somewhere along the way, we were told to keep it in, to just get on with it. And a generation of men forgot how to share what was inside. This retreat was about finding our way back to each other and back to ourselves. Moments of stillness gave us space to listen, and in that listening, we found connection. Laughter came easily. Strangers became brothers. This was not about escape. It was about returning to our roots, to a way of living that reminds us we are not alone. We are stronger together. A reminder that the greatest journey a man can take is not measured in miles, but in the courage to speak and to truly connect.